Alright, what's up everybody? It's Chaz, the Alabama Redfish Wrangler. I wanted to show you guys a clip from a trip out into the Delta the other day with my friend Noah. Basically the idea was to go and fish some channels that are a little deeper up there. I'll show you a couple things I use, as well as I'll show you the clip, so check it out. Here it is. Noah! Alright. Here we go, baby. Come on. Woohoo! Beautiful little slot. Check it out. Look at that fish. It's an awesome fish. It's a good size red right there. Let's get him.
Your call has been forwarded
Got
to
him
an
on
automatic
the
voice message system.
got him on the Matrix Shad. Beautiful fish. Bro, turn around. I'm on some fish. I just caught a red.
Really?
Yeah. I was trying to get your attention, but yeah, come back this way.
Alright.
Alright, bye. Alright, okay, that was a beautiful redfish. Caught him on the Matrix Shad. He measures out well over 18, so he's gonna go in the box. Definitely. Alright, so here's the bait that I use. This is a Matrix Shad with a 1/4 ounce jig head. This seemed to do the trick the other day. I've been using lighter color plastics, mostly Matrix Shad, and it seems like the fish have been more in tune to these lately than they have been your chartreuse, things like that. So more crystally, I guess, clear plastics, but it works great. Caught a lot of fish on Matrix Shad. If you want to get some of these, check out their website, matrixshad.com. They also sell these jig heads on there. These are the GoldenEye jig heads. This one in particular is a 1/4 ounce. I use a 1/4 ounce when I want to fish a little bit deeper water so I can get it down to the bottom quick. But basically that's it. Had one fish for the day. That was a keeper. And but it was just a good time being able to get out on the water. We had a front moving in, and unfortunately we didn't have a bunch of time, but we made the most of the time that we had while we were there. And I just want to thank all you guys for watching. If you haven't hit that subscribe button, go ahead and do that for me, and like and share this video with your friends. And once again, thanks for watching.